Hello friends, welcome to our channel Traveler World. Today we are going to discuss about schedule of test for the LPNest exam. LPNest, that is Lovely Professional University National Entrance and Scholarship Test, for which schedule 1 has been already over, but you have a chance to give the exam as schedule 2 has been started. That is from 26th January onwards it has been started. That is a great opportunity to apply for LPNest as soon as possible, as scholarships are there for phase 1. So, phase 1 is there for maximum scholarship. As the phase changes, scholarship will decrease. So, I will let you know about the different dates for schedule 2. So, let us start. So, for schedule 2, online registration has been started from 26 January onwards. So, now you can apply for LPNest exam with the coupon code LPURMV124. So, that coupon code will help you for maximum discount. So, you can apply the coupon code and apply for LPNest exam. After that, you can do the slot booking for the exam from 5th February onwards. Accordingly, after the slot booking has been done, the exam you can give on with two modes. First, as on remotely proctored mode, and second is on test center based. So, I will suggest you to give the exam on test center based, as for remotely proctored mode you should have your laptop with you, should have your mobile phone with you, should have Wi-Fi connection or proper internet connection with you. Also, all the necessary items are required like electricity, your other things and device should be proper, so that you can give the exam properly. So, that you have to manage very things. So, that is why I am suggesting you to give the exam on test center base, so that no any issue should be there and you can give the exam properly in a convenient way. So, let us move further. From 5th February onwards you can book the slot. After that, the last date to book the exam is 10th March, but I would suggest you to apply as soon as possible. Don't wait for last date, as very much rush will be there. So, apply with the coupon code I had told LPURMV124. Accordingly, 10th March is the last date and you can give the exam from 15th March to 31st March. After that, you can have the online counselling and admission process. So, 15th March to 31st March is the date for the exam, but last date is 10th March. Apply as soon as possible, and if for other updates and for more videos you can subscribe our channel and get the updates accordingly. Thank you so much for watching the video.